Y'all, we're having Cynful sweet cornbread. Start out with your dry ingredients. We're going to mix all those together. Introduce them. Maybe they'll start dating, Add the wet ingredients, starting out with the cream corn. Add that melted butter. Couple of eggs. And that milk. We're going to do the same thing with these guys. We're going to introduce them, let them start partying and dating and that kind of stuff. And then we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, and we're going to mess all that up, all that introduction. Just stir that all up nice and tight. Introduce them, maybe they'll get married. Actually, they should. Nice and smooth. All that flour's incorporated. Now, we've had this pan in a 400-degree oven, and we're tossing some butter in it. It's good and hot, so get it out with your oven mitts. Don't grab it. Spread that butter around. Get it all on the bottom and up the sides a little bit. And then we're going to pour that batter right into that pan, and it's going to sizzle a little bit. We're going to start creating that crust on the bottom. That's what makes these skillet cornbread so good. Spread it out nice and even. Shake it a little bit, and you start to see it forming that crust right along the side. See that? That's the beginning of that crust. It's going to be so good. Now we're going to put it in a 375-degree oven. We brought that oven down to 375. And we're going to cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean, and then we're going to let it rest for 15 minutes. Now, I do have a link to a printable PDF recipe file in the description, but here's your recipe anyway. Y'all, I want to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for this wonderful cornbread. We did make some honey butter to go with this earlier. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.